Ever balanced your checkbook, reconciled an expense report, or checked your numbers only to find they don't match? And you have absolutely no idea where you messed up. Well, I'm going to teach you a trick that accountants have used for decades to find errors in seconds, instead of spending hours checking every entry. So here's the situation. Let's say your bank statement shows that you have $1,847, but your records show you have $1,874. You're off by $27. Now, most people would start going through every transaction one by one, but there's a faster way. Here's what you do. Take that difference, $27 divided by 9. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. It goes in evenly, no remainder. That is your magic signal here. When your difference is divisible by 9, you almost certainly have what we call a transposition error. That means you accidentally swapped 2 digits when you wrote the number down wrong. So look at our example again. The bank says 1,847. You wrote down 1,874. You see it? You flipped the 4 and the 7. 47 became 74. That's a transposition error. Now here's the cool part. This works every single time you swap 2 digits, and let me show you why. So if you write 63, but you meant to write 36, difference is 27. Yep, divisible by 9. You write 512, but you meant to write 521, divisible by 9. Did you write 819 instead of 891? Difference is 72, divisible by 9. It works because of how our number system is built. When you swap digits in different places, the math creates a difference that's always a multiple of 9. Yep, always. So the next time your numbers don't match, don't panic. Don't start from scratch. Just grab a calculator. Take your difference divided by 9. If it goes in evenly, you know exactly what kind of error you're looking for, a transposition. Now you can scan your work looking specifically for places where you might have flipped 2 digits. You'll find it in minutes instead of hours. One more pro tip here. That number that you get when you divide by 9, it can give you another clue. So if your difference is 72 and you divide by 9, you get 8. That means you probably swapped 2 digits that are 8 apart, like 1 and 9 or 2 and 10, right? This trick has saved accountants countless hours, and now you can use it too. This is a great party trick. So remember, difference divisible by 9, look for swap digits. It's that simple.